He has lived in Japan long enough to know how things work. Back home, small courtesies were just part of everyday life. Holding a door open, offering your seat, noticing when someone looked nice. Nobody gave it a name. It was just what you did. He still tries to carry most of those habits here. Some of them, though, he holds a little more quietly now. One afternoon, he met a Japanese friend for lunch at a small café. The friend's wife joined them. They all arrived at the same time. He happened to reach the door first. He held it open and let her go in ahead. Then his friend followed. His friend glanced back at him as he walked through. He said, ladies first, right? Not a question, just a quiet acknowledgment. They settled at a table near the window. The cafe was calm and quiet. Lunch was good. They talked for a long time. When they were done, his friend got up to pay the bill. The friend's wife began to stand. Her jacket had slipped off the back of her chair while they were eating. He stepped over without thinking and held her jacket open for her. She paused for just a moment. She thought, "This is nice." Then she slid her arms in and said, "Thank you," with a quiet smile. A staff member nearby had been watching. She looked up and said, "Wow," quietly. His friend returned and caught the expression on everyone's faces. He laughed softly. He said his wife was surprised. Of course she was. But she would be far more surprised if he had done it. He wouldn't have known how to begin. On the way home, he thought about it. Small gestures aren't dramatic. However, people notice, even when they don't say anything. He still holds doors. He still gives up his seat. He still mentions a new haircut or a nice outfit when he sees one on a friend. He doesn't make a big deal of it. He just does it the way he always has. Just being polite.